We're going to be talking about Avalanche in a potential surge that could happen. Will Avalanche or AVAX be surging sometime soon? I'm going to be showing you guys why I think that is likely based on what I'm seeing on the charts here and some possible updates on AVAX's price targets. Okay, so since the last time I've talked about AVAX, which I pointed out that there is a huge reversal pattern here, which is a falling wedge pattern, which usually breaks to the upside here. And Avalanche is at the midsection of this pattern right now. Okay, so just doing a little bit of a recap since what I said last time. Okay, this is the weekly time frame, so it could take some time to play out. And this pattern has been forming since back in March 2024, so it's a huge pattern. Okay, price targets for this pattern would be about $90, right? If it breaks out at this point, just for example, it doesn't have to, right? Always got to consider the downside risk as well, because even though falling wedges usually break to the upside, it could still break down, right? And let's take a look and zoom in on a lower time frame and see if I can get any more clarity on what Avalanche could be doing. Now, on this daily time frame, it looks like Avalanche has formed a cup and handle pattern, which is usually which usually breaks to the upside as well. Now, price target for this cup and handle would be just right above $37. Now, this is a new pattern that I'm spotting that was not mentioned last time. Okay, because we have now three a validated cup and handle here now. Okay, it did try to break out yesterday, but that was not successful. So let's see if this would continue breaking to the upside, like the probability would suggest. Quite a bit of support underneath Avalanche right now, including the daily 21 SMA that's coming up. That's about $23. You got the daily 200 being crossed over, so that's also good, right? I have also talked about a possible double bottom pattern here last time, I'm pretty sure. If I did not, then that's fine, because on the lower time frame, double bottoms right here. This is the 4-hour time frame. Basically retesting that resistance right now since the breakout here. If you guys can see, the resistance was at about $24. This was a double bottom pattern with divergence, broke out of it. Basically retesting that $24 support that was then resistance. So this is basically what I'm seeing for Avalanche. I am bullish on basically the entire crypto markets right now, because Bitcoin has actually just broken out of its all-time high. Hasn't done too much. I do think that it is waiting on some more clarity from the FOMC meeting tomorrow. Very important to be paying attention to. But I am long on Bitcoin. Quite a bit of the altcoins here. I will look for opportunities to trade AVAX. Probably on leverage, because this is on the bigger. It has bigger market cap. I am looking for volatility. Now, I think a lot of this would depend on what happens with Bitcoin. If Bitcoin starts dumping, that's not going to be good for AVAX and altcoins. Okay, so that's basically what I'm seeing. Now, these price targets are estimates only. Okay, if I haven't already mentioned that, very much depends on what happens with the markets, including Bitcoin, especially Bitcoin. Okay, and of course, these are just my opinions and not financial advice, and you got to do your own research. But if you guys want to continue seeing more of AVAX, make sure to drop a like, comment, subscribe, letting me know, and I'll see you on the next one.